Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see what is the nature, scope, and functions of statistics. To start with the nature, statistics are aggregate of facts. Of course, when you collect any data, here we are meaning about the data. So you always try to sum it up or you try to average it out based on whatever you obtain. You don't go by individual data point. You need definitely an aggregate of whatever data you are having. And in order to do an analysis, you always ensure that the data are numerically expressed so that you can able to do your analysis based on the numerical data. Of course, any data you take, any information you take, they are affected by multiplicity of causes. Different causes, different variables may have uh, or may be there which may have an effect on your data. So all the data collection are happening in a systematic manner for a specific purpose. You have to definitely have an objective in advance or your whatever is your objective. Based on that only you are going to collect your data in a systematic way. Statistics can be compared, means the data whatever you have, it can be compared. You should be able to do the comparison between two different data or two different population, two more than two. It can be, you can able to compare. Even for a single company you can able to compare uh, two different financial years as a comparison. So these are all about the nature of a statistics. Then comes the scope. So what are the boundaries of usage of statistics? It is being used in government departments. Of course, central government of India is doing the census based on, so census purely is based, what they are doing is data collection. Purely it is a statistics only. And it is a branch of applied mathematics which specializes in data. Widely used in economics and research. Already we had seen in our previous video, it is being used in research and it has got a huge applications. And we had seen like primary data, secondary data, and what type of data collection techniques are there, what type of sampling techniques are there. So all those things you definitely use statistics for that. And in economics, of course, time series, index numbers, all these things are getting used in, even regression is getting used in economics. In physical sciences also, for any specifications you want to arrive at or any comparison you want to do, like in sciences like biology, physics, chemistry, medicine, you definitely use statistics. Knowingly or unknowingly, these things are happening. Maybe probably people may talk about, they call it as a data or data analysis, but actually it is nothing but statistics. It is being used regularly and constantly, and it is definitely growing. Now, even big data analysis is coming. It is purely a collection of a huge data and then analyzing using all your computers so that you can come out with some sort of uh, forecast of your future, whatever you want to do. Then in natural sciences like meteorology, astronomy, statistical techniques are found extremely useful. It is indispensable in research work that we had seen, widely used in education also, financial decision making. It is being used for planning also. Then companies like insurance companies, stock brokerage houses, if I want to analyze share, we use the standard deviation to find out the fluctuation. We find the beta to find the relative risk. All those things are there wherein you use statistics. Right? In insurance companies, there are actuarians who use a lot of statistical applications to arrive at a premium for a particular policy and all those things. Apart from that actuarial jobs, there are a lot of other areas in insurance companies where statistics is hugely being used. Stock brokerage houses, of course, share analysis, share prices, volatility, all those things you use statistics. Like other areas are banks, public utility companies, even politics, uh, to predict about what can be the poll results. People use a lot of statistics to do their survey, to approach people, to conduct a pre-poll survey, and then analyze those data, whatever they obtain, and then coming out with some sort of inferences. Statistics is hugely being used. Now, comes functions of statistics to present facts in a proper form. For that, you use this classification and tabulation, formulating and testing hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but a statement of assumption. You create a statement of assumption and you test whether the assumption can be acceptable or not acceptable, whether it can be accepted or rejected. So for that, a lot of tests are available like Z-test, T-test, chi-square test, F-test, like that. These are all parametric tests, what I said. Apart from this, there are some non-parametric tests also which can be used. And then it is used in forecasting, like regression technique or time series data analysis. So even demand forecasting, all these are some of the prediction techniques or forecasting techniques. Complex data can be simplified by using your classification and tabulation. Tabulation enables your comparison also, and correlation and regression tries to study about the relationship between two or more variables. There are different types of correlation available. Uh, Product moment correlation, rank correlation, partial, multiple correlation. All this helps. Even in regression, you have linear and then multivariate regression, non-linear regression, etc. So further, it also enlarges human knowledge and experience. It also makes you enable you to find your trend values and determine the trends, the tendencies of the data, where how it will go. You can able to forecast those things. It collects data systematically in a definite form. It presents the data in a most suitable manner. It guides definitely the management in their planning, because based on your data collection and analysis, management can able to take their decisions properly based on the data analysis. So it helps formulation of policies and measures their effect also. These are some of the functions of statistics. In case if you find this video to be useful to you, and if you find the contents to be useful, I request you to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.